All right, so you just saw the cat and dog um, animations, and so what I'm going to show you now is the actual game that we made. It's not complete. So um, basically, the programmer did program the hitboxes and hurt boxes. Um, Let me move this over here so you can see it. And it looks pretty cool, right? I also drew all the assets in the background. They're just images that I drew. I was really proud of the sidewalk that it was able to tile properly, the grass tiles properly. But it's not the best looking game. But this is my first time like really doing a game jam, so I think I did a pretty good job in creating like sort of a nighttime scenery. And I'm using the arrow keys to sort of navigate this dog around. You can see the Ninja Gaiden run right there, and he has a dash. If I hit Z, he has a dash. Pretty nice. And then if you hit X, you can bite. So his head gets really huge there. If I crouch, I can also bite, do a lunging bite. And if I jump, I can do a jumping bite. So everything turned out pretty nicely. And the movement does feel nice. Like you can do a low air dash, you can do a high air dash, and you can also change your momentum in midair. So it feels pretty nice. It feels like an old school platformer. And this cat doesn't really move. We were supposed to have cats spawn later on. But this cat is just supposed to sort of be a hitbox here. That little red thing is a hitbox. And when I try to run past him, I just get hit. So the point of the game was that you're going along the street here, and I'm just going to keep dashing, and I'll show you. At the very end, there's a pizza. You're supposed to pick up the pizza. Pizza acquired. So there's supposed to be a little cinematic at the beginning and also a little cinematic here. Not really a cinematic, just like a couple drawings. And you see all these cats spawn right here. They're not active. They're supposed to spawn at random spots during the map. And there's also supposed to be platforms on the map. Like if we place the garbage can differently, maybe you can jump on this garbage can and jump around on this fire hydrants or the awnings of the buildings over there. If I was able to jump high enough on platforms, you could also see the sky, which I drew. But you can't see any of that, unfortunately. But yeah, the cats here, they turn towards me when I run past them. And after I acquire the pizza, I'm supposed to go all the way back and deliver the pizza to my owner, which is a human. I like that the dog is sort of proportional to everything around it. Bonzo is actually the name of my dog as well, or my mom's dog at the house that I used to live at. And he's a pretty small dog like this. So maybe if he did meet a cat, the cats would be sort of able to overpower him. But anyway, there is a timer too. So I do want to finish this soon, where we're gonna have working cats that you can actually fight, and maybe some of you will even be able to play it. And I look forward to having that done. My friend and I guess this is sort of an update that this is how far we got in the game jam, and the game jam was 48 hours. So we had 48 hours to get all this done. And we kind of overestimated. I think what's typical of time constraints is that we tend to overestimate how much we can do, because I forgot to take into account sleep, how tired I'm gonna be, meal time, and we probably needed to do something graphically and mechanically even more simple. But I think this was doable in the time we had if I was a little bit faster. But we kind of overshot it. But I think we came out with a pretty decent product, and I think if we were to finish this, it would be a pretty nice, fun, and playable game. And it's not just going to be one level. There might be variations of levels and variations of different bosses, maybe like a large cat or something like that. So, yeah, I look forward to that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I am going to show you more, a little bit more animation that I've done for games. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, and I love you all. Bye-bye.